Football is where we begin. Head coach Hallgrimsson says that there's a lot to build on despite the Reggae Boyz losing 3-0 to Argentina in their friendly international at the Red Bull Arena in New Jersey on Tuesday.
Judging from Hallgrimsson's pre-match interviews, the Jamaicans were going into the game with the mindset of damage limitation. It was evident throughout the game that the Reggae Boyz were more interested in defending their goal rather than going on the attack. But Coach Hallgrimsson says that's because they didn't find their feet until after the first 10 minutes.
We really felt comfortable in how we played our defensive game. Yes, it's hard to play against a team like Argentina with all this individual quality, but I think we grew into the game all the time. We got moments where we could have done better with the cross or with the final pass or with the counter-attack. We had possibilities to equalize the game until the 80th minute when it was 2-0.
But despite the scoreline, the Icelander says there's a lot to build on going forward.
I think and I hope that people see that it was a good effort from the players. They gave it all, and you can see in the dressing room that the players are really tired after this one, and that's understandably when you're playing a quality team like Argentina.
The Jamaicans were staring down the barrel from as early as the 13th minute when Julian Alvarez broke the deadlock as Argentina set the stage for their 35th match unbeaten run. But it was containment thereafter for the Jamaicans as they held the Argentines at bay. The problem was they couldn't do it for the last 30 minutes of the game as things went the South Americans' way with the introduction of Lionel Messi in the 56th minute. He needed little time to warm up, and as soon as he did, it was 2-0.
Here's Messi at the top of the 18! International goal number 89 for Lionel Messi. And the Argentine legend makes it 2-0 over the Jamaicans here at the Red Bull Arena.
That was goal number 89, and number 90 wasn't far behind.
Two walls. Messi, the magician, scores again! Easy does it for Lionel Messi. His 90th international goal.
3-0 it ended, but for Hallgrimsson, the result didn't match the reality of the match.
3-0 is a big number, but I don't think it reflects the game in whole, and it doesn't reflect the performance of our players.
But whether the scoreline reflected the play or not, the statistics showed Jamaica with just 35% of the ball, while being outnumbered 17-2 in shots and 8-0 in shots on target.